Kalma, kalma. Kalma, attorney.
Hindi nga silang DDS ko luko. Bahala mo kung sa itawag na ko ninyo, basta mahot mo tanan. Tatlo ang appointments ko sa gobyerno. Puro sa Aquino. OIC Mayor, kami ni Digong. Classmate ko si Digong. Classmate ko si Pin Barsaga. 1988. Tommy Osmeña will live forever. Saka yung sa Taal na mayor na uncle ng best friend ko. Si Tito Cabrera. Yan na lang naiwan sa amin. The reason why I'm still active is because I was 27 when Cory Aquino appointed me. But I did not belong to any political party because my family fought for her in Northern Negros to campaign for Cory Aquino against the warlord Armando Agustino. Sa una politika, tirohay, habuyay, granada, kag dinamita, no Jay. Eh si Jay, OIC man eh. Karon, Facebook na lang o Twitter. Sa una, ang diskurso sa plaza. Karon, online na. Nga nung Sara Duterte ko, I told Lorraine Badoy in an interview, and I told Kitty Duterte, whom I met a few days ago, na the turning point sa akin, although I was just neutral, independent observer because I was a commissioner, but many of you do not know that the case of Rodrigo Duterte's disqualification was ruffled to me. So I called my father and I said, they're disqualifying him because his certificate of candidacy being substituted is wrong. God rest his soul, pero ano ba naman yung USEC din yun na yun ang bububo ng mga tao nila na ang certificate of candidacy niya for mayor? And my father said, you have to interpret that liberally because you have to respect the choice of the people. And so, I wrote the decision in a hotel, free from any political influence. As you know, I was appointed there because of my supporters from the Liberal Party. Tatay ko, liberal yun. And to his credit, Mar Rojas never called me. And I decided, and I called the two other commissioners, this is my decision. What is yours? Are you joining me? We had a unanimous decision na ang error sa certificate of candidacy ni Dino na nakalagay mayor was really intended for president. Why? Because he filed it in the COMELEC central office. They did not file it in the election officer of Pasay. Therefore, was he qualified to be candidate for president, this Dino? Yes, the answer is yes. And therefore, is Mayor Duterte qualified to substitute for candidate of president of Dino? Yes. And we use the principle of law that nowadays law students cannot even pronounce. Lacuna legis. There is a gap in the law. There's a gap in the law, therefore we must interpret it in favor of the candidate so that the people will have a choice. Bakit tayo mo?
Koski ang pakpak para madunggan. Sana.
So, hindi ako Digong in 2016. Hindi ako DDS. Kasi hindi ko alam ano ba yung mga DDS na yan. Nagleni din ako because I told you, ang tradisyon ng Negros Occidental is liberal. Di ba la? Kag si Lenny naglagan upod kay Maroas sa antes nga eleksyon. That is why. Kaya nakita ko man niya mga prinsipyo. Pero from the start, sa rally, dahil ni Lenny, na ako naman hindi kandidato for senator may makasaka dito siya mga rally, ingon dyan ko nga, si BBM adik. Bangang. Gusto niyo ng presidente na adik? Gusto niyo commander-in-chief na adik? Sinabi ko na yan. Kaya talagang tinarget nila ako. So, from the start, anti-BBM talaga ako. Kaya dinisqualify ko siya dun sa Comelec bago ako nag-retire. Kaya nung nanalo ako sa P3 PWD party list, hindi talaga ako pinaupo ni Tambalos-los. Pero karon, ang vengeance is mine on you ko. Adto gigong late. Unya, nga akong campaign speech siya late, inani o? Niya, magtubag-tubag mo ha? Si Martin Luther, ipapriso. Oy, tagalite, practice. Si Martin Luther!
Ipapriso!
Si Martin Luther!
Ipapriso!